The United Kingdom's Ministry of Defense latest intelligence update on Ukraine, June 11, 2023. The collapse of the Kakhovka Dam on June 6, 2023, has almost certainly severely disrupted the occupied Crimean Peninsula's primary source of freshwater, the North Crimean Canal. The North Crimean Canal draws water from the Kakhovka Reservoir, from an inlet higher than the bed of the reservoir. The water level in the reservoir had likely dropped below the level of the inlet by June 9, 2023, and water will soon stop flowing to Crimea. This will reduce the availability of fresh water in southern Kherson Oblast and northern Crimea. However, the Russian authorities will likely meet the immediate water requirements of the population using reservoirs, water rationing, drilling new wells, and delivering bottled water from Russia. Concurrently, communities on both the Russian and Ukrainian-controlled sides of the flooded Dnipro are facing a sanitation crisis with limited access to safe water and an increased risk of water-borne diseases. The Air Force Command of Ukraine Armed Forces update. Russia continues to attack Ukraine with Iranian-made Shahed 136 and 131 attack drones. In particular, on the night of June 11, 2023, frontline zones in the Kharkiv and Sumy regions of Ukraine were attacked. According to preliminary data, 6 Iranian attack drones were neutralized by air defense of the Air Command East Ukraine. The Institute for the Study of War, Russian Offensive Campaign Assessment. Ukrainian forces conducted counteroffensive operations in at least 3 areas of the front and made territorial gains on June 10 and 11. Ukrainian Deputy Defense Minister Hanna Maliar reported that Ukrainian forces are conducting offensive operations in the Bakhmut area, and Russian sources reported continued Ukrainian ground attacks on Bakhmut's northern and southern flanks. Geolocated footage and Russian sources indicated that Ukrainian forces liberated multiple settlements during continued ground attacks south, southwest, and southeast of Velika Novosilka in western Donetsk Oblast. Russian sources reported that Ukrainian forces continued to attack southwest of Orikhiv in Zaporizhia Oblast, and Ukrainian forces made gains in this area. The Institute for the Study of War key takeaways today. Ukrainian forces made visually verified advances in western Donetsk Oblast and western Zaporizhia Oblast, which Russian sources confirmed but sought to downplay. Ukrainian Deputy Defense Minister Hanna Maliar stated that Russian forces are transferring their most combat-capable units from the Kherson direction to the Bakhmut and Zaporizhia directions. Russian forces conducted a limited series of drone strikes targeting eastern Ukrainian border areas overnight on June 10 to 11. Wagner financier Yevgeny Prigozhin characterized the Russian Ministry of Defense's plan to formalize volunteer formations by July 1 as an attack on him and his forces. Russia and Ukraine conducted a near one-for-one prisoner of war exchange. Russian forces continued limited ground attacks south of Crimea. Ukrainian and Russian forces continued limited ground attacks around Bakhmut and on the Avdiivka-Donetsk city line. Ukrainian forces made gains near the administrative border between Donetsk and Zaporizhia Oblasts and in western Zaporizhia Oblast as of June 10. Russian military bloggers claimed that rain along the Zaporizhia Oblast front may slow Ukrainian operations in the coming days. The Republic of Chechnya reportedly formed 2 new regiments, Akhmet, Russia, and Akhmet, Chechnya, equipped with commercially available Chinese armored equipment. Saboteurs, reportedly including Ukrainian partisans, conducted 2 discrete improvised explosive device attacks against railways in occupied Kherson Oblast and Crimea.